everyone. Welcome to the JNN News, where if it not goes so, it nearly goes so. Now to begin the news, here are the headlines. Legendary reggae artist Jimmy Cliff dies at 81. Scientists confirm that Jamaica is a real place. Miss Jamaica Universe falls from stage. Man jumps from police car and drowns, and 5 dead in fatal accident on the highway. Now to begin the news. Legendary reggae artist James Chambers, more popularly known as Jimmy Cliff, is dead. Jimmy Cliff died on November 24 at age 81, with his cause of death given as seizure and pneumonia. Jimmy Cliff was a reggae ambassador who helped to spread the genre globally, one of the few icons with whom the name Jamaica is synonymous. The Grammy awardee gave to the world great hits like You Can Get It If You Really Want, Many Rivers to Cross, I Can See Clearly Now, and Sitting Here in Limbo. I Can See Clearly Now was featured in the Disney film Cool Runnings, and Cliff also starred in the 1972 film The Harder They Come, where he played the role of the quintessential rude boy. Jimmy Cliff was awarded the Order of Merit from the Jamaican government. Fellow musicians and fans from around the world have been pouring out tributes for the reggae icon. Jimmy, the JNN salutes you. You have left an illustrious legacy behind. Our brother, you are no longer sitting here in limbo. You have crossed over the final river and found your way over. Jimmy Cliff said, I'd rather be a free man in my grave than living as a puppet or a slave. Continuing the news, a group of scientists have finally confirmed that Jamaica is indeed a real place. The team of 15 global experts from across several fields of study spent almost 2 years of meticulous testing and studying seismic records, historical data, and consulting with psychics and obeahmen in an effort to put to rest once and for all the popular notion that Jamaica is not a real place. The team measured and analyzed radio waves and infrared radiation being emitted from the general region of grid 18 degrees north and 78 to 79 degrees west, and came to the firm conclusion that not only does Jamaica exist, but it exists very much. People from all over the world have poured in with posts and videos congratulating Jamaica on its official status. They gave testimonies about the undeniable impact that Jamaica has had on them, particularly in the fields of music, sports, and social media scandal and drama. Speaking earlier today at a press conference, the Prime Minister said that he was happy and relieved to learn that Jamaica exists. He said that though he has had his own concerns, he had always suspected that Jamaica exists. He is glad to learn that these rumors have finally been laid to rest. since the money that he has been collecting as the head of government of Jamaica has been very real indeed. The JNN is following a developing story where dozens of students from the University of the West Indies, UWI, took to the streets today to protest against unfair treatment from ChatGPT and other AI tools. The students insist that AI has been deliberately supplying them with false answers when they feed test questions into the app. Some students say that they have failed not one, not two, but up to 3 tests and exams in which AI use was strictly forbidden. During the tests, the students ingeniously found ways of feeding prompts and entire multiple choice questions, even essay questions, into AI apps and copied the responses word for word or tweaked it a little bit to throw the professors off. However, the students are adamant that AI has turned rogue and has been supplying answers that it knows to be incorrect. The students are fed up, and some are even threatening to go back to studying and using their own intelligence to earn the degrees that their parents and the Students' Loan Bureau has been paying for. Meanwhile, some university professors were seen chuckling, stroking their chins, and doing little jigs during the demonstrations. Our news team is on the scene and will continue to follow this developing story. And news just in, effective immediately, the government has issued a ban on the practice of using AI to generate memes and video clips that show deceased friends, relatives, and celebrities in heavenly garb. It has become common practice for people to use pics of their loved ones and have AI convert these into videos of these deceased individuals climbing the stairway to heaven, embracing other deceased loved ones, being welcomed by angels, and being patted on the back by God Himself. The Prime Minister has condemned this practice as unconscionable and hypocritical to portray our perfidious and bad-getting relatives and celebrities as angels when we know for a fact that they have gone straight to the pits of hell to challenge the devil. A fine of 20,000 Jamaican dollars will be charged for anyone who creates, posts, or shares any such videos of loved ones going to heaven. An additional $12,000 will be charged for generating videos of several deceased celebrities liming and welcoming each other at heaven's gate, especially if background celestial music is included. Miss Universe Jamaica, Gabrielle Henry, fell off the stage while catwalking at the preliminary competition on November 19. While she did not sustain any life-threatening injuries, the fall, which took place in Bangkok, Thailand, was impactful. As a precautionary measure, Gabrielle was admitted and remained in the intensive care unit until news time. Gabrielle has been accompanied by members of her family and has been visited by Miss Universe organization president Paul Roker. The JNN wishes Gabrielle a speedy recovery. The River Muma of Flatbridge fame, received an offering recently as a 70-year-old man plunged to his death in the infamous Rio Cobre River. The man had been riding in the back of a Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF pickup through the Bog Gorge in St. Catherine. Reports are that at around 1 p.m., the senior citizen could be seen in video footage of the area appearing to fall from the vehicle while clinging to a tire, which he apparently let go of once in the water. No one fully understands what arrangements had been made between the River Muma and the elder, but it is common knowledge that she demands at least one soul to fall over the flat bridge every year. And finally, the police have confirmed that 5 persons have died in a motor vehicle collision that occurred on PJ Patterson Highway in St. Catherine. The accident took place at approximately 3 p.m. and involved a Toyota Hiace bus which was headed in the direction of Kingston. It is reported that there was a right tire blowout when the bus neared Sharp Lane, resulting in the driver losing control of the vehicle, which then hit one of the guardrails and capsized. The bus had been carrying 19 passengers. The deceased includes 3 men and 2 women. Several passengers were also rushed to hospital, some with very serious wounds. And now, to end the news, here are the main points. Legendary reggae artist Jimmy Cliff dies at 81. Scientists confirm that Jamaica is a real place. Miss Jamaica Universe falls from stage. Man jumps from police car as a sacrifice to the River Muma into the Rio Cobre River. And 5 dead in fatal accident along the highway. I am Puchilu Badu, and this has been News on JNN.